Hi everyone, I hope you're all really well. I've come on here today to do an unboxing. I've been approached by a company to have a look at some grow lights. Now this is a Corayer, C-O-R-A-Y-R. They've gifted me my first ever gift from Instagram. So I've got some grow lights and I'm really excited about these. So let's do the unboxing. I'm just going to open the box. Here we are. Inside we have some attachments, and I'm going to get this light hung up on the shelf here. Currently I've got some LED lights that I got from, I think I got them from eBay. They're pink, they're quite offensive. I'll show you these at the moment. They're a bit of a headache, to be honest with you. The plants are happy underneath them, but I want something decent. I want something like actually white. So we've got some attachments and I'm going to show you. Me trying to get it up here. It has been done before. I do know somebody else that's been successful about getting this. We've got instructions. Always need instructions. And then the actual light itself, and it does come with a UK plug. And then this is the light itself. So I am going to go and do some filming now of me trying to put this up, which you're going to see next. Okay, so moment of truth. I hope that you followed that. I've not even had a chance to review it yet, but let me show you what I've done. So this is the top of my cabinet. I ended up using cable ties. I was going to try and use macrame thread, but it just wasn't strong enough. Cable ties are perfect. You can adjust the tightness of them as you go. And if we go underneath the shelf, I've threaded the wire just around the outside of the shelf. Now, I have seen other people, I know Abby Bloom specifically, has used these screws on the larger size shelving unit, and they actually stretch across enough to give enough tension to keep the height of this. But I couldn't do that on this one because the distance between the holes and the screws is too short, and I would have ended up with the light being down here. Used some videos, some faithful DVDs and a plant pot just to support the weight of the actual the lighting rig, because it is pretty heavy, just to support it while I got the tension in the wires, so that I could put these on. So I'm going to go cut these off, and then we're going to do a turn on. Okay, so I've wiped down my shelf. I sit here. Ooh. Are we ready? Like the big unveiling. This is going to throw out the exposure loads. And ta-da! It's kicking out some serious light. You can see on the refresh rate as well. But yeah, I think my plants are going to love it. It looks great. Yeah. So one thing that I forgot to mention is this is available on Amazon. It's an LED grow light. It's by Corayer, C-O-R-A-Y-E-R. It's a bit of a strange name. LED grow light from Amazon. And I'll be updating you probably next week just to see how these little beauties are enjoying it. I think they're going to really like it.